Hi all, welcome to RootEdu. In last video I told you about hacking and types of hackers. Now in this video I am going to tell you about man-in-the-middle and ARP spoofing attacks. At first we try to understand basic. Every device has internet, but it is not directly connected to the internet. In between there is a router which transmits the request from device to internet, and the result is transmitted from internet to device. For example, I am searching for google.com in device and it goes to router, and the router sends to internet and search for result. The result goes to router and the router sends the result to device. In this process the device has a unique IP address and also the router has a unique IP address. Now we talk about man-in-the-middle attack. In normal way the connection looks like this. By man-in-the-middle attack the data from internet flows to the hacker's computer, to the hacked computer. By this attack we can see whatever he searched and even the mail IDs and passwords. Everything he do. Normally the request from device is sent to the router and the result is sent to the device. By man-in-the-middle attack the request is flows to the hacker's computer to router and the result is flows to the hacker's computer to the device. There are many number of ways to do this. For now we discuss about ARP spoofing attack. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol, which allows us to link IP addresses to MAC addresses. If the hacker don't know the MAC address of the device, but he knows the IP address, what he do is he simply communicate with all the device and ask for who has this IP address. The other devices ignores, except the device which has this IP address, and this device communicate with the hacker saying that I have this IP address and my MAC address is this. Then the hacker communicate with the router using device MAC address and communicate the device with the router's MAC address using ARP spoofing attack. The simple way of ARP spoofing is we can find the MAC address of a device using the IP address of that device. I hope you understand this class. If you have any queries, contact me. I will leave my contact details below the description. Thanks for watching.